Welcome to Trade Mark Roofers Ltd, a specialist roofing team with many years of experience working in the roofing industry, offering quality roofing solutions at an affordable price. For new roof installations, new guttering systems through to small roofing repairs, we welcome all types of inquiries throughout Berkshire, Buckinghamshire and Surrey. We work closely with our customers to make sure they receive a quality roofing solution using only the best materials that the market has to offer. Along with great customer service, our quality workmanship comes at a great price and all our work is fully guaranteed. We will handle your roofing inquiry from start to finish and will not call on outside contractors to get the job finished. Our friendly team have customer reviews to share with you upon request. So whether you're looking to have a new flat roof installed, your house repointed, or you need some missing roof tiles replaced, we are here to offer you free advice and a free site visit to discuss your roofing requirements. Call Trade Mark Roofers Ltd today.